Hello, I am a domain engineer in the systems management space here at Dell. And today, we'll be covering the default deployment of OpenManage Enterprise on VMware. You'll need to first download and extract the OVF from our support site. In vCenter, we will deploy the template from the extracted contents of our download. I have already downloaded the file and extracted. Let's get started. And we will select Create or Register a Virtual Machine, deploy the machine from an OVF, and Next. We'll give it a unique name, most commonly Dell OEME. We'll select these files from our extracted contents. And follow the wizard. Leave the default settings, then provisioned, and select finish. Okay, once completed on the recent tasks menu, you're now ready to power on the virtual machine. So we'll go to virtual machines, select the virtual machine, and power on. All right, that completes the installation of our default install of OpenManage Enterprise, and you're now ready to configure your OpenManage Enterprise appliance. Thanks for watching and have a great day.